Foods you store in your pantry and fridge are essentially what you reach out to throughout the week. So what you actually put in there is going to be a very important decision and the key to forming long-lasting habits. Hi everyone, I'm Maya, the dietitian and founder of Nutrition Revitalized. Today we'll be looking at 5 key foods that I store in my fridge as a dietitian. First up, we're looking at Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high quality protein. The key difference between regular yogurt and Greek yogurt is that with regular stirred yogurt, 1 cup of milk becomes 1 cup of yogurt. Whereas with Greek yogurt, you've got 3 cups of milk that becomes condensed into 1 cup of yogurt. So it's very concentrated whey protein. It's slightly thicker, a lot creamier, and has got a lightly sour taste to it. It's also got lots of probiotics, so very important for gut health and a good source of vitamin D and calcium. It's very versatile. You can add it to a bowl of muesli, you can have it in a smoothie, you can use it as a dip for your vegetable sticks, or if you're having a bit of rice, you can have a little bit of yogurt with that as well. My second non-negotiable is a tray of eggs. A lot of women are deficient in iron, and egg yolk contains an abundance of iron. It's also a good source of protein, choline, vitamin D. Again, a very versatile option. You can have it scrambled, boiled, as a snack. If you're really short on time, what you can do is boil a couple of eggs on a weekend, peel them, slice them, and keep them in the fridge. So when you're in a rush, you could easily have a toast with a few pieces of sliced eggs. It's a good add-on protein to a meal where protein is lacking. In these fridge staples that I'm discussing with you, I'm always thinking about what makes the components of a balanced meal, which is going to be carbs, protein, and fiber. To be honest, carbs are very easy to add on. You've always got potatoes, pasta, rice, noodles, breads at home. So personally, I find that there's never a meal where I'm actually lacking carbs. It's often protein or fiber that's lacking. So my fridge staples are always oriented around easy protein and fiber that I can add onto my plate. Next up, we're looking at salad leaves. It's so easy for me to just take a bunch of pre-washed salad leaves and add onto a plate, or add on to my eggs if I'm making an omelette, or if I'm making something like a soup or curry that's lacking vegetables, I can easily just add a bunch of leaves into that. Green leafy vegetables are a great source of vitamin B's, iron, and antioxidants. If you're concerned about how quickly it wilts, what I would suggest is take it out of its original packaging, put it in a container, wash it really well, dry it, and wrap it in paper towel. So put a paper towel on top, put a paper towel below to absorb the moisture, and this will definitely allow the salad leaves to last a lot longer. Next up, I love my cucumbers. This one's really easy because it doesn't need any cooking and you can have it fresh as a snack, or when you're really short on time, you can just throw it into your existing meal and have it. I love the crunch that it has and really nice in the summer. And lastly, legumes. So on the weekend, I tend to soak and boil some form of legumes. So for example, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, mung beans. These pack a lot of vitamin B's and a great source of protein. The good thing about legumes is that it provides a protein without the fat, unlike meats. So it's really easy to add on to a meal when it's already cooked and ready to go. This one doesn't really last too long, so maybe you might get away with 4 days in the fridge. But again, once you've boiled them, pat them dry so that there's no moisture making them go bad. But really, you can add it to a salad, some casserole, some stews, soups, or even have it on its own as a snack. So there you go. I've shared 3 sources of protein and 2 sources of fiber. These basically help me stay nourished even on busy days. So think about what goes into your fridge and pantry. When you're not prepared on a weekday night after a very busy day, that's when we make room for impulsive choices. When you make these mindful decisions on a weekend when you do your shopping, it makes healthy eating a lot easier and convenient as well. So it's really easy to put together a quick meal when you've got staples like these that are healthy. Small daily habits make the biggest difference and keep it sustainable. Let me know what you'd like to see next, perhaps a list of pantry staples. Let me know in the comments down below.